Sean Belfast, Vernaval. I'm here on the Falls Road, outside the largest Gael school in the country, over 900 pupils. Here, on their pitch up here, is where Laochra Loch Lao trained for the Junior Championship, winning it spectacularly. They love the Irish language here, and I'm going to be speaking to the chairman of Laochra Loch Lao, and he's part of the campaign to spread the gospel of Irish language. Diagwit Kieran, Constantine.
Good morning, Jim Marty here, Marty.
Hello, Alfred. Aberlum free Laochra Loch Lao.
Bonnie Laochra Loch Lao Gaeilge Shea, Mar Co-Common. August and Gaeilge Shakti, Glackmid Cam, the Suntasi Common. News Black One is coming to Culture Class Gaeilge at Amy and Gaeilge coming to Van the Gaeilge. And then in 2017, we took the more radical decision to move away from the amalgamated format and they established a standalone independent club.
And will Gaeilge gach ball?
If you come to our training, if you're at our matches, the primary language you will hear from the coaches on the sideline, from the team members shouting at each other, and in every other way is Irish. That's the dominant language.
Sigrid, can I start too?
Juice Meredith, Jim Marty.
On Federlum Ga Coupon Te a Oil.
Bye, Ruby.
Mil Margaret. Porrig, came from a honig to go Belfast.
Hannig me go Belfast and Gaeilge Cúig, Marialler and Gaeilge. Fos me van Gaeilge, Hossie me Gimmert le Laochra Loch Lao, agus Simmer Jershid and Star. Yeah, so we're sitting here in Radio Falcha. We'd call down here to the Irish Language Centre for a cup of tea, cup of coffee, and it's a great spot here in the Falls Road for all the Gaeilgery.
And you're a native of Armagh, so you're blowing.
Yeah, we're a big Armagh family, very proud of 2002 and hoping we can repeat that in the coming years.
Let's have a cup of tea.
Cup and tea.
Well, that's only go reach. Oh, yes!
This is my great friend Fiona McAteer, whose dad, of course, is a Sean Og McAteer, the great Down County Secretary. And Fiona asked me, because of her team here in Belfast, to send them a message before their big junior county final, which I was delighted to do. Now, it was Osberla, and then I learned this is a team that does everything else Gaeilge. So, Fiona, talk to me about your team and about your love of the Irish language.
Well, we are a club called Laochra Loch Lao, based here in Belfast, and I have been playing with the Laochra from we started, and I've been here through the days where we maybe had 10 players,
yeah.
And then now we've come to win the championship, so it's come full circle now. It's a major part of my life.
It is your heart and soul.
Yes, definitely.
Because of winning the junior championship.
Thank you.
I get the impression, Fiona, that your love of Irish language and your love of football has come together and merged beautifully for you, and it really is your heart and soul. Am I right?
You know, winning it, especially through Irish, and especially that we've put so much work into the Irish language in the country, and it's just brilliant to see it growing and to be in a club that's so young and just so inspiring to the community. Like in my school, I try and promote kids to come to Laochra because, you know, they made me cards and all for the championship, and I took in the trophy for them and they were over the moon then. So it's something very, very special. You know, we believe in the Irish language, Creidhim Jonan, August. That's why we're all here, because it has inspired us to live our lives through Irish. So, Marty, Caithfidh Mary.
You're inspiring me as well. I know our father and Cogodicus again. Slán, Cormila Margaret. Scale Hauling. Now I've only got jeans and a pair of runners, but right, come on. Here we go. Here we go. Sinead, that's it from Belfast, and I hope that our short journey here will give you a grasp of how special this is and what's happening when sport and the love of the Irish language come together, when they fuse together. It is very, very specialta. Go raibh míle magat, slán.